The Apple TV 4K 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most important upgrades Apple has ever delivered for its home entertainment lineup. And while the Apple TV has never received as much attention as the iPhone or MacBook, this time it feels like Apple is positioning its next-generation streaming box to become the centerpiece of the modern living room, combining powerful hardware, smarter software, advanced gaming, seamless communication, and deep integration with the broader Apple ecosystem. To understand why this upgrade is so anticipated, we need to look at the history. Apple's streaming box has been around since 2007, evolving from a chunky silver box that looked like a miniature Mac into today's sleek black 4K-capable device. And while it has always been a premium product compared to cheaper rivals like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Google Chromecast, it has also consistently delivered a more polished experience, especially for users already invested in Apple's ecosystem of iPhones, iPads, and Macs. The last major refresh came back in 2022, when Apple introduced the A15 Bionic chip, HDR10 Plus support, and replaced the Lightning port on the Siri remote with USB-C. But after nearly 3 years, tech watchers are convinced that Apple is preparing its most ambitious Apple TV yet, expected to launch in late 2025, just in time for the holiday shopping season, making it a perfect stocking stuffer and Black Friday purchase for households looking to upgrade their streaming setup. What makes this release even more exciting is that it aligns with tvOS 26, a massive software overhaul announced at WWDC, which introduces the most dramatic design change in years. A new liquid glass interface that overlays translucent menus on top of whatever you're watching, creating an immersive experience that feels like part of the TV rather than a clunky overlay, while also introducing faster profile switching for multi-user households. A refreshed Apple TV app with giant poster-style artwork that makes browsing feel cinematic, improved FaceTime support with contact posters and live captions for accessibility, and even quirky but fun features like Apple Music Sing upgrades that let you use your iPhone as a karaoke microphone for family sing-alongs. All of this will roll out to older Apple TVs as well, but the new hardware is expected to push these features even further, especially thanks to a rumored chip upgrade that could see the Apple TV jump from the current A15 Bionic all the way up to the A17 Pro, A18, or possibly even the A19 chip, depending on Apple's production schedule. This upgrade matters because it's not just about making menus faster. It could unlock console-quality gaming on the big screen, with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, advanced graphics rendering, and AI-powered performance optimizations that turn Apple TV into a real competitor for dedicated gaming consoles, particularly as Apple continues to expand Apple Arcade with more console-level titles. We've already seen games like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage running on the iPhone 15 Pro thanks to the A17 Pro, and if Apple brings that same performance to the Apple TV 4K, suddenly your living room streaming box doubles as a powerful gaming platform without needing a PlayStation or Xbox. Performance isn't the only area of improvement. Networking is also expected to get a big upgrade, with rumors pointing to Wi-Fi 7 support or at least Wi-Fi 6E, along with Apple replacing Broadcom parts with its own in-house wireless chip, which would mean faster, more stable streaming for crowded households, smoother multiplayer gaming, and less buffering when streaming 4K HDR content on Netflix, Disney+, or Apple TV+. Another fascinating rumor is that Apple may finally add a built-in camera for FaceTime, eliminating the need to rely on the continuity camera feature that currently uses your iPhone, which, while clever, can feel awkward to set up every time you want to take a call. With an integrated camera, Apple TV could become the ultimate communication hub for the living room, ideal for family video chats, remote work meetings on the big screen, or even fitness applications that track your movements. The remote is also rumored to get some love, with speculation that Apple might add a built-in speaker so you can ping it when it's lost between couch cushions, while also rebranding the Siri button as an Apple Intelligence button, tying it directly into Apple's brand new AI ecosystem. This integration with Apple Intelligence could be the defining feature of the Apple TV 4K 2025. Imagine sitting on your couch and simply saying, "Apple TV, recommend a movie like the one I watched last night," or "show me highlights from my favorite team's game," or even "dim the living room lights and lock the front door," with Apple Intelligence coordinating everything seamlessly across your ecosystem. Since Apple TV already serves as a HomeKit hub and supports the new Matter and Thread standards, the next-gen model could become the central brain of your smart home, managing lighting, thermostats, security cameras, and appliances, all while serving as your primary entertainment and gaming device. And then there's the question of price, which could be the most surprising development of all. For years, Apple TV has been priced significantly higher than its competition, limiting adoption. But reliable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has suggested that Apple may finally be considering a sub-$100 price point, which would instantly make it competitive with Roku, Fire TV, and Chromecast, and could dramatically expand its presence in households worldwide. Whether Apple actually goes that low is uncertain, but even a modest price cut would signal a major shift in Apple's strategy, potentially transforming Apple TV from a niche premium product into a mainstream must-have. Taken together, all of these rumors paint a picture of the Apple TV 4K 2025 not just as another streaming box, but as a complete living room platform that blends entertainment, communication, gaming, smart home control, and AI-driven personalization into one sleek package. For those who already own the 2022 Apple TV, the device is still very capable, with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Thread support, plus the free tvOS 26 update coming this fall. But for anyone on an older Apple TV or those debating their first purchase, the 2025 model looks like it will be the ultimate future-proof choice, offering a massive performance leap, smarter networking, deeper AI integration, and perhaps even that long-awaited price cut that could finally make Apple TV a household standard, rather than a premium niche gadget. If these leaks prove accurate, then late 2025 may be remembered as the moment Apple's little black box grew up into a true all-in-one entertainment and smart home hub, making it one of the most exciting Apple releases of the decade.